Hey guys, it's Blake Holbrooks with MarineMax on Lake Wylie. Today we're out here checking out this 2026 Sea Ray SPX 210. We got it in the most classic all white color scheme, pairing with a dune interior. You guys climb aboard and let's check it out. Welcome aboard the 21 SPX, guys. So back there on the swim platform, you can see that we have that SeaDek flooring all covering the back there, including that submersible swim deck that you have. So that'll drop right in the water and give you a spot to sit while you're hanging off the swim platform. You've also got your telescoping ladder with a nice SeaDek covered hatch covering that. As we hit the walkway into the cockpit, you can see that you do have some dedicated storage there, and that is where your battery switch is held. And as you make your way into the cockpit, I'll point your attention over to the sun pad back there. So you can see you have a nice pad back towards the transom, and then a good bench seating area right here, and that's all covering your 200 horsepower Mercury engine that's powering this boat. Up underneath there is some dedicated cooler storage on there, so you're able to slide the cooler in and out no problem. And then you have storage underneath all of these seat cushions right here. Over here on the port side, you have a lounger that will flip back and forth as you need it, depending on which direction you want to face. And you'll notice while we're in here, we're getting a ton of shade from the canopy on top of our sport tower. I'll show you your ski locker storage down here in the floor. You can see a nice big storage compartment. Got the cover stowed in there right now. And as y'all are looking at the floor, you'll notice you have SeaDek throughout the entirety of the cockpit and the bow on the floor here. We'll take a quick look over here on the starboard side at the helm. You got a full swivel captain's chair with a bolster. And then up on the helm, we've got the ultra wide Simrad on this Sea Ray here. Nice big screen for you to look at while you got the boat underway. Some traditional switches and the Mercury throttle powering that 200 I mentioned earlier. Over here on the port side, you do have a lockable glove compartment, as well as some storage underneath. Up here in the bow, you've got storage underneath both of these loungers, a small compartment right here, and then at the very, very top, you've got non-skid on top so you can board the boat from the bow, and dedicated anchor storage underneath. This is an awesome option from Sea Ray with a good couple upgrades on board. If you guys want to come check it out, you can give us a call at 803-831-2101, and you guys for me, Blake Holbrooks.